Is Ethereum finally ready to pump and make some sweet 100% gains? Man, I feel like it's been taking ages for Ethereum to finally make that strong break higher. Just keep testing that all-time high and getting rejected. But the technical analysis right now is looking increasingly bullish, and the current market structure actually reminds me a lot of what we saw happening with Bitcoin about 2 months ago. And then, of course, you know what happened next? Bitcoin basically doubled. So if you are an Ethereum investor, then get ready, because we could be about to see some big fireworks for Ethereum. Either that, or I'm going to make the same video again in about a week's time, but we'll see what happens. My name's Lark, and every day I make videos to help you make money investing. So if that is what you want to do, then make sure that you subscribe to the channel, you hit the like button, and of course you hit the bell so that you can stay up to date with all of my videos. By the way, if you want to earn a safe and simple passive income on your cryptocurrency, then you need to check out BlockFi's interest accounts. You can earn 5.25% on your Ethereum, 6% on your Bitcoin, 6.5% on Litecoin, and 8.6% on USDC dollar stable coins. And as a special bonus, if you sign up using the link down below in the description, then you will get up to a $250 Bitcoin bonus. And who doesn't love free Bitcoin? So go ahead and check that out. Now let's go ahead and dive straight into the charts here. Ethereum is looking very, very nice right now. It is forming an ascending triangle just below the all-time highs. Now, the ascending triangle, this is a bullish breakout pattern that if it does play out in our favor, the chances are that it will, then it's going to totally smash Ethereum way beyond the previous all-time highs. Ethereum has basically been printing higher lows for the last 2 weeks. Just the strong bullish uptrend is continuing for Ethereum right now. The exact breakout target from this formation is $1,920. But remember, we need a candle to fully close above the top green line with volume actually backing up that move. That will let us say, yeah, we can really confirm that this is indeed a breakout happening. A candle wick, that doesn't count. We need to wait for that full body confirmation. A low volume breakout also does not count. So if the pattern does break down, if we don't get the breakout to the upside, then do watch to be buying the dip around $1,000. That is the breakdown target from this. You probably even fill orders just under 1,000. So put some orders in like 970 or something. Might get lucky and get those filled. But we have to watch how this triangle plays out over the next few days. Personally, I'm feeling very, very bullish on Ethereum right now. I like what I'm seeing in the charts. Ethereum just got its highest monthly candle close ever, which is a very bullish thing to see. It's just a damn strong, clean break right there. It looks beautiful, looks great. Well done, Ethereum. This represents, of course, a massive shift in the technicals for Ethereum, because it's really showing a massive, just breakout from the, previous highs. Zooming out, it really helps you cut down the noise. So looking at the monthly charts has been very instructive, and and it's very clear to me what I'm seeing. We can also see what happened too with Bitcoin when it finally closed a new high monthly candle above the previous high monthly candle close. The price rallied, obviously, mega hard afterwards. So Ethereum right now, it's about 6 to 8 weeks behind Bitcoin in terms of its mega pump coming. So what is happening to Ethereum right now? It's just so reminiscent of how the big Bitcoin breakout played, right? Bitcoin, it's leading the charge, but look at Bitcoin. It first tested breaking its all-time high. It had a few tests that kind of barely touched a new all-time high. Look at by a few dollars, exactly like we've seen with Ethereum, right? New all-time highs like 10 or 20 bucks. It then went down. It then basically went sideways for around 15, 16 days, basically just consolidating right there under resistance of that previous all-time high level before blasting higher. And then, of course, what happened next is that within 24 days, the price of Bitcoin more than doubled in price as the FOMO kicked in. And we saw that strong close above the previous all-time highs, over $20,000. The price just soared as people piled in. That same thing is about to happen to Ethereum. We have had our big correction like happened with Bitcoin. We've now had 3 failed tests to break resistance in that zone around the all-time high. So if Ethereum in any kind of way follows that sort of similar breakout pattern that we saw playing out with Bitcoin, then its coming breakout led by this ascending triangle could be looking for Ethereum to potentially double in price by the end of February. The ascending triangle is the first step in that. Now, all of that matches up as well with all of the bullish fundamental catalysts that we see coming for Ethereum in February. The ones we know for certain that are going to happen are the reopening of the Grayscale Ethereum Trust. That just happened. The coming Galaxy Digital Ethereum funds in the middle of the month. So we got about 2 weeks before we see those launch. The launch of the Ethereum CME futures on the 7th, so it's less than a week away till we see that launch. Now, unconfirmed but possible bullish catalysts include the launch of EIP 1559, ETH 2.0 Phase 1 announcements. May or may not get that stuff in February, but, out there as potential wild cards. But the first 3 things, all that money that's about to come into Ethereum is intense. Now is not the time to be bearish on Ethereum. Now is the time to be damn excited about what we're seeing with Ethereum. So it's just massively primed for a breakout right now. Very exciting stuff. Anyway, what do you think? Can the price of Ethereum double in February? Can we hit 100% gains for ETH? Or has old Lark been hitting the hopium bong a bit too hard again? Let me know down below in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.